Leo is leaving and Orion returns. Hey there, stargazers. I'm James Albury, director of the Kika Silva Plot Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. Leo the Lion is about to leave the evening sky, but we have loads of summer stars and planets to show you.
And I'm Dean Regas, astronomer from the Cincinnati Observatory. Even though it's the middle of summer, winter's Orion is on his way back, and you can use the moon to find some early morning planets.
Let's show you.
We're looking northwest any night next week about an hour after sunset. One of the most familiar star patterns is just hanging up there for you to see, the Big Dipper. We're going to use the two pointer stars, Dubhe and Merak, but backwards this time. Usually we have you trace a line up this way to find Polaris, the North Star.
But this time, put it in reverse and point down toward the horizon, and you'll land in the middle of the King of the Beasts, Leo the Lion. Leo's brightest star, Regulus, will be close to the horizon and will get lower each night as the sun steadily approaches.
I'd like to point out a faint, dim constellation that we almost never mention, Leo Minor. He is a cute little lion cub, but if we turn off the overlay, you'll see why he is rarely mentioned. There's not much there to see.
Remember that constellations are names for areas of the sky. Many of them don't look anything like their names. You know, Dean, after Leo Minor, we'd better come up with something better to see.
Well, we have 2 planets and 3 bright stars over here. Will that do it?
Keep talking. We'll see.
The brightest light over here in the western sky is the orange star Arcturus. Once again, arc to Arcturus from the handle of the Big Dipper.
And then drop a spike to Spica. The reddish-orange planet Mars is about half a fist to the left of Spica and will continue to get dimmer for the rest of the year, as we leave it behind in space. Then, about a fist and a half left of Mars, you should have no trouble spotting the ringed planet Saturn.
So, from Saturn we look to the right for Mars, a little farther for Spica, and above Spica we find orange Arcturus. Go back to Saturn and then look about 2.5 fists farther to the left and you'll come across Antares, the giant red star that marks the heart of the Scorpion.
Now, I know that Orion is on the other side of the sky from Scorpius. So if Scorpius is still in the sky, how can Orion be coming back?
Let's take a look at the morning sky and you'll see.
Now we're facing east just before dawn next week, the 21st to be exact, and a really skinny waning crescent moon is there to greet you. Look to the left of the moon and you'll spot the Pleiades, the star cluster usually linked to Halloween and fall skies.
Below them is the bright red star Aldebaran in Taurus. And below Taurus, just breaking the horizon, you can see the shoulder stars of Orion. As each day goes by, more and more of Orion will rise into view.
Let's advance a day to Tuesday the 22nd. The moon has moved to just above Aldebaran and is heading toward a pair of bright lights lower on the horizon. The brighter of the two is Venus, and lower to its left is bright pinkish Mercury.
Let's advance another day to the 23rd, and the moon is skinnier. Orion is higher, and Venus is chasing Mercury toward the horizon.
Do it once more, and we have a super skinny moon less than a fist to the right of Venus, and more of Orion has crept above the horizon.
Let's go again to the 25th, and if you have a clear, flat, dark horizon, you may see an extremely skinny crescent moon to the right of Mercury and below Venus. Look over to the right and even more of Orion has risen into view.
So, to recap, next week after sunset, look west and you'll see Arcturus,
Spica and Mars,
Saturn and Antares in the Scorpion,
then in the morning in the east,
the Moon and the Pleiades,
Taurus and Orion,
and on the morning of the 24th, a super scoochie of a super skinny moon near Venus and Mercury.
But you'll see none of this unless you
keep looking up.